Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a donut vase. First, gather your essential materials, including about 2 pounds of air-dry or ceramic clay, a rolling pin, and a sharp cutting tool. Next, prepare your workspace by laying down a non-stick mat and having a small bowl of water ready for smoothing. Finally, make sure you have a circular template, ideally around 6 inches in diameter, to guide your initial cuts. Now, let's form the donut shape. Begin by rolling out your clay evenly until it reaches a consistent thickness of approximately 1/4 of an inch. Using your 6-inch circular template, carefully cut out 2 identical clay circles. For the donut hole, use a smaller circular cutter, about 1.5 inches wide, to create a central opening in each of your 2 clay pieces. With your 2 donut halves ready, it's time to assemble. First, score and slip the edges of both clay circles where they will meet. This creates a strong bond. Next, carefully align and press the 2 pieces together, ensuring all edges are firmly sealed to prevent air pockets. Finally, use a slightly damp sponge to gently smooth any visible seams, creating a clean and professional finish for your vase. After assembly, allow your donut vase to dry slowly and completely for several days in a well-ventilated area, turning it occasionally. This prevents cracking. If using ceramic clay, fire the vase according to your clay's specific temperature guidelines, typically between 1,800 and 2,300 degrees Fahrenheit, for durability. Once fired, your unique donut vase is ready for display. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.